Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our quick and easy tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something that's essential for staying connected: how to sign into your Yahoo Mail account in 2025. Whether you're a longtime user or just setting up a new account, this step-by-step guide will have you in your inbox in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome or Safari for the smoothest experience. Once you're there, type in www.yahoo.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll land on the Yahoo homepage, which is packed with news and features, but we're focused on mail today. Next, look for the Mail icon, usually in the top right corner. It might be an envelope symbol. Click on that, and it should take you to the sign-in page. If it doesn't, just search for Yahoo Mail in the search bar on the homepage. Now, enter your Yahoo email address or username in the first field. Make sure it's typed correctly to avoid any errors. Double-check for typos. Then, in the password field, type in your secure password. Remember, if you haven't updated your password recently, 2025 is a great time to make it stronger with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once that's done, hit the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, and I highly recommend you do for extra security, you'll get a code sent to your phone or email. Enter that code quickly to verify. And just like that, you're in. You'll see your inbox loaded with emails, folders, and all the tools Yahoo Mail offers, like spam filtering and attachments. If you run into any issues, like a "forgot password" situation, there's a link right there to reset it. Yahoo makes it pretty straightforward. There you have it, folks. Signing into Yahoo Mail in 2025 is simpler than ever. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.